This is the activity number 6, whose objective is to find the analytically the limit of a function fx at x equal to c, and also to check the continuity of the function at that point. Means you have to check the continuity of the function at x equal to c. As you know, if a function is continuous, then left hand limit and right hand limit and function at a point should be the same. Material required for this activity: paper, pen, pencil, calculator, eraser, etc. Method of the construction: let the given function be fx is equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2, where x is not equal to 2 and x equal to 2, then fx equal to 4 is given. This is the indeterminate form. If you are putting x equal to 2 in this function, then you get the 0 by 0 form. That of the function is known as the indeterminate of the function. And indeterminate of function is only solved by using the limit. So we will solve it by using the left limit and right limit and function at a point. Take some point on the left and right side of the c, which are very near to the c. Find the corresponding value of fx. Fx is equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 is given. Solve it. X plus 2. Solve it. If you solving it, then you get the x plus 2, x minus 2. Divide by x minus 2, you get the x plus 2. And next point is method of demonstration. The value of x and fx are as follows. Table number 1, which shows the value of fx as at left of the c, means if we are taking the value of x from 1.9 to 1.999999, which is close to the 2, then value of fx becomes 3.9 to 3.99999, which is close to the 4. It means कि if you are approaching from 1.9 to 2, then fx approaches 3.9 to 4. Similarly, from right hand limit, means from right to the left, if you are taking the value of x from 2.1 to 2.0000001, then fx approaches from 4.1, 4.01, 4.001, 4.00001, 4.400001 and 4.00001. It means if you are taking the value of x from 2.1 to near to the point 2, then fx becomes 4 from 4.1 to 4, which is close to the 4. Next point is demonstration. Next point is observation. The value of fx is approaching to 4 as x tends to 2 from the left, and second point is the value of fx is approaches to 4 as x tends to 2 from the right, and c point is left limit x tends to 2 of fx is equal to 4. We are seeing that left, if we are taking the left limit, then it is approaches to 4, and we are taking the right hand limit, then again it is approaches to the 4. Fx approaches to the 4, and function at a point, means limit at a point as x tends to 2 of fx is equal to 4 are the same. So then we can say कि function is continuous, which is the result of this function. So this is the all about the function is continuous or not at a given point. Thank you.